Healthy diet. Hi friends. In this video, I am going to tell you about the importance of a healthy diet. This video is divided into small parts because maintaining a healthy diet is not easy, and I want you all to get full information about managing a good diet and also implement it in your daily routine. So let's start the video. Healthy eating means eating a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. A healthy diet has been scientifically proven to provide numerous health benefits, such as reducing your risk of several chronic diseases and keeping your body healthy. However, making major changes to your diet can sometimes seem very overwhelming. Instead of making big changes, it may be better to start with a few smaller ones. 1. Choose whole grain bread, not refined. You can easily make your diet a bit healthier by choosing whole grain bread in place of traditional refined grain bread. As opposed to refined grains, which have been linked to many health issues, whole grains have been linked to a variety of health benefits, including a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. They are also a good source of fiber, B vitamins, and several minerals, such as zinc, iron, magnesium, and manganese. There are many varieties of whole grain bread available, and many of them even taste better than refined bread. Just make sure to read the label to ensure that your bread is made with whole grains only, not a mixture of whole and refined grains. It's also preferable that the bread contains whole seeds or grains. 2. Add Greek yogurt to your diet. Greek yogurt, or Greek-style yogurt, is thicker and creamier than regular yogurt. It has been strained to remove its excess whey, which is the watery part of milk. The end result is a yogurt that is higher in fat and protein than regular yogurt. In fact, it contains up to 3 times the amount of protein found in the same amount of regular yogurt, or up to 9 grams per 100 grams. Eating a good source of protein helps you feel fuller for longer, helping you manage your appetite and eat fewer calories overall. Furthermore, since Greek yogurt has been strained, it contains fewer carbs and lactose than regular yogurt, making it suitable for those who follow a low-carb diet or are lactose intolerant. Simply replace some snacks or regular yogurt varieties with Greek yogurt for a hefty dose of protein and nutrients. Just make sure to pick the non-flavored varieties, as flavored ones may be packed with added sugar and other unhealthy ingredients. 3. Drink enough water. Drinking enough water is important for your health. Many studies have shown that drinking water may benefit weight loss, weight maintenance, and even slightly increase the number of calories you burn daily. Studies also showed that drinking water before meals can reduce appetite and calorie intake during the subsequent meal in middle-aged and older adults. That said, the most important thing is to drink water instead of other beverages. This may drastically reduce your sugar and calorie intake. People who drink mostly water have been shown to consume 200 fewer calories per day, on average, than those who drink other beverages. 4. Replace your favorite fast food restaurant. Eating out does not have to involve unhealthy foods. Consider upgrading your favorite fast food restaurant to one with healthier options. There are many healthy fast food restaurants and fusion kitchens offering delicious and healthy meals. They may just be a great replacement for your favorite burger or pizza joint. What's more, you can generally get these meals at a very decent price.